Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Turkish Alinazik Kebab with chickpeas will be made in this video. Watch homemade pita bread and all the ingredients come together on a plate. The result will be an easy and tasty dinner idea for you. Ingredients used for Alinazik Kebab: 2.5 coffee cups flour for making base bread, a full cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of dried yeast, sugar and salt, 400 grams of ground beef, 1 purple onion and 1 white onion, 2 garlic, 3 green peppers and 1 hot red pepper. Spices: cumin, chili pepper, dry thyme, black pepper, mixed vegetable flavoring, rock salt. You will need 1 bowl of solid yogurt, 1 bowl of boiled chickpeas and its juice. If there is no chickpea juice, use broth. Butter. Optional tahini and soy sauce. First, prepare dough for base bread. Add 1 cup of warm water, will not be too hot, can be 45 degrees. Add the yeast, salt and sugar, mix until dissolved. First, add 1 coffee cup of flour and mix with a spoon. Add 1 more cup of flour and mix. Add another half cup of flour and knead the dough by hand. When the dough reaches the desired consistency, add flour into the bowl and place the dough. Cover the dough with flour, wait approximately 45 minutes for the dough to rise. After the dough rises, you can press it with your hands in a floured form. You can roll the dough up to 30 centimeters, it should be the size of the Teflon pan you will use. Heat the pan a little over high heat and add the dough. Bake the top and bottom of the bread evenly. You will get a soft bread. It is necessary to chop it and bake it a little bit to make it crispy. Chop the bread into small squares. You can fry with butter in an air fryer, normal oven or pan and make it crispy. You can apply a temperature of 180 degrees for 6-7 minutes. Add water watery yogurt to the strainer to get thick yogurt. Wait for the yogurt to drain without mixing. Prepare the vegetables to be added to the meal. Peel the onions and chop them with a knife. Remove the seeds from the peppers and cut them into small pieces. Grind and chop the garlic a little with a knife. Add the minced meat to the pan and mix by crushing it with a wooden spoon. Add chopped onions. Add chopped peppers and garlic. Add some butter. Add salt and spices and add some soy sauce. Cover and let it steam a little. Cook for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, boil the chickpeas with their own juice. Add the breads to the base of the plate. Slightly soak the breads with chickpea juice or broth. Add solid yogurt. Add some tahini to the yogurt optionally, it was used because chickpeas and tahini go well together. Fry the chickpeas a little bit with butter. Add pepper and salt. Add the roasted ground beef. Add chickpeas and add more meat on it. This plate is prepared for 3 people, you can do it. Add tahini and soy sauce as you wish. This plate kebab looks beautiful as you can see. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video, goodbye.